Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to write easy essay on my mother. 10 lines on my mother. First line, my mother name is Smita. Next line, my mother is my biggest supporter. Next line, she is my best friend. Next line, my mother teach me new things every day. Next line, she work hard to keep our home clean and tidy. Next line, she encourages me to chase my dreams. Next line, my mother teach me good manners and values. Next line, she is a great cook and make delicious meals. Next line, my mother is the queen of our family. My mother is most amazing person and I love my mother very much. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more latest videos.